Hi, I'm Matthew Murray, lead analyst of components and DIY with PCMag.com, here today to show you how to install a motherboard in your computer case. Now, the motherboard is one of the most important parts of your computer, but it doesn't do any good if it's just sitting on the table. So before anything else, we need to get it in here. We're going to start by laying the computer flat on the table here and unscrewing the top side panel here. Now, if the case has a window in it, you're going to know that's the one to open. Otherwise, it's usually the one on your left if you're standing behind the computer. And this case is good because it has thumb screws. Most cases today do. But if yours doesn't, it's part of the reason we have the Phillips screwdriver. Then just push the panel toward you and put it aside. We won't need it for a while yet. After you've done that, you're going to want to install the I/O plate. This is what tells you what all of the ports on the back of your computer do. If you don't know a lot about computers or you just need a refresher sometimes, it's a good idea to install it. And it also helps keep dirt and dust and other particulate matter out of your case while the computer is running. Luckily, it's not very hard to install. Just put it inside your case in the rectangular opening in the back and push it through until it's even on all sides. This is one of the more difficult parts of installing the motherboard, believe it or not, but it only takes a few seconds to do. Now you're ready to screw the motherboard into the case. Some cases have letters that tell you where you need to put the standoffs that you're going to screw the motherboard into. This one doesn't. If your case doesn't, you can just take the motherboard, put it in, and compare the screw holes so you see where the standoffs need to go. And once you've done that, just take the standoffs, for this case they're silver, and put them and screw them in with your fingers to the 6 or 9 holes that match up with the motherboard you're using. Once you've screwed in all the standoffs, you can put the motherboard in. Take it, making sure that the rear panels here are oriented toward the back. Just line up the holes in the motherboard with the standoffs you just put in, and then make sure that the ports all match up on the I/O plate there. After the standoffs are in place, just use the remaining screws to screw in the motherboard. You might find it helpful to screw them all in fairly lightly at first, and then once the motherboard is in the correct position, go back and tighten them up. Once all the screws are in, you're done installing your motherboard, and you can go on to building the rest of your computer. For more tips and tricks on building PCs, check out PCMag.com.